Sraith Pictiúr a chuideag a tá scoláire na bliana electing the Student of the Year. Tá cruinniú ar siúl sa rang, there's a meeting taking place in the class. Míníonn an múinteoir go mbeidh toghcháin ar siúl I rinn na seachtaine. She explains that there will be an election taking place during the week. Beidh orthu scoláire na bliana a rownú, they will have to select the Student of the Year. Beidh tréithe maithe ag teastáil an duine a rown ófar. Good traits will be required from the person who is selected. Caithfidh an duine a bheith lách, carach, smaointeach agus iontaofa. So the person who will be selected has to be caithfidh an duine a bheith lách, kind, carach, helpful. Smaointeach is thoughtful, agus iontaofa is trustworthy. So these are important phrases that you need to learn on this one. Lá an toghcháin atá ann. It's election day. Tá an bosca vótála I lár an hala. The voting box is in the middle of the hall. Cuireann siad a vótaí isteach sa bosca. They put their votes into the box. Tá cumasásúil ar gach duine. Everyone looks happy. Feicimid na daltaí ag feitheamh scuine. We see the students waiting in a queue. Beidh siad ag súil go mór leis an tora gan doubt. They'll be really looking forward to the result gan doubt. An tora is the result. Umpíonn na múinteoirí an bosca bonuscion san ifig ghinearálta. The teacher's turn umpíonn siad an bosca bonuscion up. They turn the box upside down in the general office. And how do we know that? Because again it's on the chart for you. Déanann siad córamh ar na vótaí, so the teachers count the votes. Tógann sé ficheanóid chun an córamh a dhéanamh. It takes 20 minutes to do the counting. Tá lán vótaí ann. There's a lot of votes there. Tá ócáid speisialta ar siúl a halla na scoile. There's a special occasion taking place in the school hall. Tá an príomhide agus an leas phríomhide ina seasamh ar an ordáin. The principal and deputy principal are standing up on the stage. Gléann captain na scoile amach an tora. The captain of the school calls out the result. Tá gach duine ar bís agus ag feitheamh don tora. Everyone is excited and waiting for the result. Tá slua mór bailithe sa hala. There's a big crowd gathered in the hall, either múinteoirí agus daltaí, between teachers and students. Brunfort Kern or scoláire na bliana. A cup will be awarded to the Student of the Year. Fógraíonn captain na scoile, the captain of the school, announced gur bhuaigh Sandra ní Chealaigh an toghcháin. That Sandra ní Chealaigh won an toghcháin, won the election. Tugan an slua bula bus mórdaí. The crowd gives her a great big clap. Seasann siad in ómóstaí. They stand in respect for her. Tosaíonn a corda ag béiciúil, her friends start shouting, agus cloismí cúpla duine ag fadíal. We also hear a couple of people whistling. Gléann captain na scoile orthaí teachtar an ordáin in aice leis. The captain of school asks her to come up and stand on the stage beside him. Agus sa fictor dear nach an seo, seasann Sandra ar an ordáin. Sandra stands up on the platform. Der captain na scoile go raibh an gradam tiltacha. The school captain says that she had very much earned the award. Rinne she obair an sco. She did great work. Chuidigh she le golóir daltaí sa scoil. She helped a lot of students in the school. Agus bhí a dea umper anaháitach chomá. And her good behaviour was very important also. Déanann captain na scoile cógardaslí. The school captain congratulates her. Tá áthas agus úna an downer. She's absolutely amazed. Ní credan she go bhfuil an gradam seo buatacha. She can't believe that she has won this award.